A lot of people are breaking 2024 Topps Finest, or 2023 Topps Finest, but it's mighty expensive. So I had a couple of boxes of 2022 Flagship, so I broke those. I already went ahead and opened them, cracked the packs. Now we're gonna look through them, see what we come up with. Hopefully something awesome. Maybe a super fractor. All right, let's see what we got. Grab about half the stack here. See some color. We have a green. There's some blue. See the blue there? Is this Charlotte? I don't think it is. It's Galaxy. LA Galaxy. Efrain Alvarez. Green 13 of 75. All right. Nothing fascinating, but not bad. We've got an icy. A Charlotte icy. That's good. Looks like maybe Fuchs. Charlotte Fuchs icy. I'll take that. Cool. I think I have one other of those, but they're not super common. That's fantastic. Wish it was the 101. Another icy. Flagship has so much base, but at least they throw in the icies, which are kind of fun. And we have a team icy, it looks like. Yep. Minnesota United. Two boxes, so this will go pretty darn quick. See, looks like LA Galaxy. Avela, I have a couple of those, but I love the Vela Icy. Cool. If I was gonna get doubles of one, that would be one I would pick. Another icy on the back. Columbus. Oh, we got Jan. I think that's a mini I actually need, which is cool. Is this Zella Ryan icy? Nope, Artur. Alright, pop those over here. And one more box for today. And then I have to get ready for soccer practice. There's Artur in a base. Oh, we got color there. And it looks like on the edge could be some blue. I don't think that's Charlotte though. I think that's going to be Montreal. But let's see. Oh, I was close. It's the Quakes. Jamiro Monteiro. Oh, lost a couple cards. All right, blue I believe is 99. Yep, so 12 out of 99. Let's get one more good hit. Come on. Maybe a really good hit. Everybody's pulling amazing things in 2023 Topps Finest. I want amazing things too. We got an icy. Devon Gray icy. Nothing big yet. I like Nagby. A Nagby icy. Another icy. John Gregus from the Quakes again. All right, one small stack. But all you need is one small stack to hit a 1v1. I'm going to open another package after I finish this. Let's see. We'll add it to this video. Looks like we got a mini in here. A Mukhtar mini. Hani Mukhtar. Alright. Come on, give me one banger. I might have one icy and nothing else. Let's see. Lindsay. Let's pop Lindsay. Charlotte players into the pile. We got another Gregus mini. All right. Flores icy. We are running on fumes here with our short 2-box pull. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I will do a very fast summary of what we pulled, and then I'm going to open a box with a really cool card. No, I already know it has a really cool card, so it will have a really cool card. Somebody did just pull this guy. I have it up here. The 1/1 Ben Bender from Topps Finest was just pulled. Beautiful card. That's probably worth $600, $700 bucks. Very nice card. All right. Quick summary here. Icy Flores mini Charlotte card. Only one Charlotte out of those 2 boxes. Mini Hani. Gregus icy. Nagby icy. Devon icy. Got a blue out of 99. Another Gregus mini. Artur icy. Vela. We've got Minnesota, probably the highlight of the boxes for me, a Fuchs icy. And then we got the Alvarez out of 75 green. All right, we'll slide these over here. And I'm going to grab that box real quick. We'll break into it. This will take just a second. This is one of the best cards that I have. Let's see here. I haven't opened it yet. I just got it back from eBay authentication. Man, they don't make this thing easy to open. Really, I need a paper cutter. There we go. Almost. What do you guys think it is? It's not a Pele rookie card autographed. It's not that good. It's beyond my budget. Pretty cool when eBay authenticates a card. They put it in this nice case. It's magnetic. You can set it so it actually acts as a stand. Pretty cool. So I gotta raise this up a little bit. Stands like that. There's a lot of glare, but that is a Fuchs, Christian Fuchs red /5. So only 5 of these ever made, and I needed this to try to hit the inaugural set that I've been going after as best I can. So wow, man, that glare is horrific. There, that's probably best there. Nice card. It's red. The video is not doing it justice. I believe it is 3 out of 5. They seal it up there pretty nicely. Usually I just leave these in the package and inside the eBay authentication. But that'll do it. About a 10-minute video. Quick break. I'm going to take care of these cards here and make them pretty and nice. And thanks for tuning in. All right.